Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Today I want to show my replacement lamp for my small rig. So the reason why I got a replacement lamp for it is because when I'm charging one, I want to have another one so my recordings don't get interrupted. But let me tell you a couple of items or features about this lamp that I love. First off, on the reverse part, we have the on-off button and also this little swivel that allows you to control the intensity of the light. So you can see the light's on, and as I turn it, it makes the light brighter or less brighter, depending on the surroundings that I have. So that is fantastic. It also has a C port for rapid charging right there. And it comes with the charger. So let me show you how to insert the C port charger into it. And once it's inserted on the back, it has 4 bars, so it kind of tells you where your battery charging level is at. So that is something that I absolutely love. And to install it, as a cold shoe, that you're gonna insert it into right here. So you slide it in, like so, and then just tighten it up a little bit and fasten it securely. And there you have it. This light is amazing. I love it. And that's my point of view.